Ideal comfort, intelligent technology. The I-TEC classroom climate system only from Bard Manufacturing. Preserving the integrity of the architecture, the I-TEC is vented above the sill at window level. Quietest operation, high-quality Bard dependability and value, with optimized aesthetics, both indoors and out. The I-TEC is easily installed. In tight remodel situations, the I-TEC can be quickly disassembled in 2 sections and reassembled right in the classroom. The I-TEC was designed to absorb the transfer of sound vibrations, making it so quiet you'll forget it's even there. The cabinet doors and sides come on and off easily to provide excellent service access. Every critical component can be easily accessed from inside the building. Eco-friendly materials provide the ideal conditions for a classroom environment, allowing students and staff to breathe easier. In addition to normal airflow patterns, Bard offers several options to bring in fresh air to meet current ASHRAE ventilation standards. Inside the classroom, the unit's attractive cabinet blends into the environment and allows versatile placement options. Outside, the I-TEC is inconspicuous, complementing the building's design, making it the ideal choice. Quietest operation, superior indoor air quality, ideal comfort, intelligent technology. The I-TEC, only from Bard. Learn more at bardhvac.com.